All my plumbing fans help me out here. Can you hear that? I can feel the vibration here. I'm too fat to get back to the other pipe. It's been doing this for a couple days. And let's see if this works. Now listen to this. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it. So I'm gonna do this here slightly. And when I do that just a little bit, it gets really loud. I turned it off and it stopped. No, wait, it's going still. It just randomly starts sometimes. Let's see if I can make it do it again. I don't know if you can even hear any of that. It's the pipes banging around. I don't know why. Whoop. So there it goes again. I can feel it up in this, like I'm just touching it like that and I can feel it pretty good. Listen to that. Help me, plumbing fans.